In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Gmail space for more Google Drive storage. If you're like many of us, your Google account might be overflowing with data, pushing you close to your storage limit. This can happen without even realizing, as emails, especially those with large attachments, continue to pile up. In just a few simple steps, you can clean up your Gmail and free up space for other important files. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Gmail and hit Enter. This will lead you to a list of results. Now, look through and select the first link that appears or find the one that has mail.google.com as its URL. This is typically your direct route to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail page, you'll need to log in. Fortunately, if you're using a device that's signed into your Google account, Gmail might log you in automatically. If not, simply enter your credentials to access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the storage bar, which is usually found at the bottom left corner of your inbox. It displays how much space you've used, which can be pretty eye-opening, especially if you're almost at your limit. Go ahead and click on that storage bar. Upon clicking, you will see an option that says Clean up account storage. This is your key to identifying what's hogging all that precious space. Select this option to proceed further. A detailed overview of your stored data will appear, organized into different categories. Look out for sections named Emails with large attachments, Spam, and Trash. These categories often contain emails that eat up significant storage space. It's common to find emails here that you may have forgotten about, yet they're taking up room. For each of these categories, you will see a Review or Delete button. Click on these buttons to go through the emails and decide which ones can be permanently deleted. Review them carefully, as some could be important, but many will be old or irrelevant. After making your selections, proceed to delete those that you no longer need. By sweeping through these categories, you're not just tidying up your inbox, but effectively freeing up space in your Google account. This extra space will be available in Google Drive, giving you more room to store documents, photos, and other files. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've managed to clear out your Gmail, paving the way for more storage in Google Drive. Remember, maintaining this practice regularly can help keep your email organized and your digital life clutter-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy a tidier inbox and more space on Google Drive.